Last question of the miscellaneous examples. It is a very important question, 5-mark question or 4-mark question. Question is this: integral 0 to pi x dx divided by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. So we pi equal to integral 0 to pi x dx by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. Then we apply the result. Integral 0 to f of x dx equal to integral 0 to f of a minus x dx. So I equal to integral 0 to pi minus x dx divided by x a square cos square pi minus x plus b square sin square pi minus 6. Then I equal to, we split this as two terms, that is pi by the denominator minus x by, that is integral 0 to pi dx by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x minus integral 0 to pi x dx by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. Okay. Here in the right side, the second term is I. What is the question? So we take it as I. So here also we write I. That is I equal to pi into integral 0 to pi 1 by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x minus I. Then you transpose this minus I to left. Then we get I plus I equal to pi into integral 0 to pi 1 by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. That is 2I equal to pi into integral 0 to pi 1 by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x dx. Here we apply the result. Integral 0 to 2a f of x dx equal to 2 into integral 0 to f of x dx, since f of 2a minus x equal to f of x. Here a square cos square x plus b square sin square x is the f of x, 1 by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. Cos square pi minus x is equal to cos square x, and sin square pi minus x is equal to sin square x. As cos pi minus x is negative cos x, its square is cos square x. Sin pi minus x is sin x, its square is sin square x. So pi by 2 into integral 0, here 2a, that is 2 into pi by 2. So a is pi by 2. So come to the result, pi by 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 dx by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. I equal to pi into 2 cut integral 0 to pi by 2 dx by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. Again we apply one result, that is the property a to b f of x dx equal to integral a to c f of x dx plus integral c to b f of x dx. We find one value between a and b, then we take it as c, then we split the integral as the two terms, integral a to c f of x dx plus integral c to b f of x dx. So I equal to pi into integral 0 to pi by 4. That value is pi by 4. Integral 0 to pi by 4 dx by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x, plus integral, instead of c we put pi by 4 to pi by 2 dx by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. So I equal to I1 plus I2, where I1 equal to pi into integral 0 to pi by 4 dx by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. Pi into integral 0 to pi by 4 1 by cos square x. Here again one part, divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. So 1 by cos square x dx divided by a square cos square x by cos square x plus b square sin square x by cos square x. That is pi into integral 0 to pi by 4 sec square x dx divided by a square plus b square tan square x. Then integration, put tan x equal to t, Then sec square x dx equal to dt. If x equal to 0, t equal to tan 0, that is equal to 0. And if x equal to pi by 4, then t equal to tan pi by 4, that is equal to 1. So I1 becomes pi into integral 0 to 1 dt by a square plus b square t square. We take b square outside. Okay, b square into a square by b square plus t square. That's equal to 1 by b square into integral 0 to 1 dt by a by b whole square plus t square. That's equal to pi into 1 by b square 1 by a by b tan inverse t by a by b. Result is this: dx by integral dx by x square plus a square, or dx by a square plus x square. Integral of a dx by a square plus x square equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a. That is pi into 1 by b square into b by a tan inverse bt by a within the limit 0 to 1. That is pi into 1 by ab, this b and b cut, then 1 by ab into tan inverse b by a into 1 minus tan inverse 0. That's equal to pi into 1 by ab into tan inverse b by a minus 0. So therefore I1 equal to pi by ab into tan inverse b by a. That is equation number 3. 2 equal to pi into integral pi by 4 to pi by 2 dx by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. Here the first case we divide the numerator and denominator by cos square x. The second case we divide the numerator and denominator by sin square x. So pi into integral pi by 4 to pi by 2 1 by sin square x dx divided by a square into cos square x by sin square x plus b square into sin square x by sin square x. That's equal to pi into integral pi by 4 to pi by 2 cosec square x dx divided by a square cot square x plus b square. Then to integrate it, put cot x equal to u. Then diff negative cosec square x dx equal to du. So cosec square x dx equal to negative du. Then if x equal to pi by 4, u equal to cot pi by 4 equal to 1. And if x equal to pi by 2, u equal to cot pi by 2 equal to 0. Therefore, here limit becomes 1 to 0. So pi into integral 1 to 0 negative du by a square u square plus b square. That's equal to minus pi into integral 0 to 1. That is a result integral a to b f of x dx equal to minus integral b to f of x dx. That is, if interchange the limits, we can take negative outside. So negative pi into integral 0 to 1 negative du divided by a square u square plus b square. So I2 equal to negative into negative positive pi into integral 0 to 1 du by a square u square plus b square. That is equal to pi into integral 0 to 1 du by a square into, here you take a square outside, u square plus b square by a square. That is pi into 1 by a square integral 0 to 1 du by u square plus b by a whole square. That is pi by a square into, here answer is 1 by a, 1 by b by a tan inverse u by b by a. That's equal to pi by a and a cut ab, pi by ab tan inverse a by b into u. That is pi by ab into tan inverse a by b u within the limit 0 to 1. That's equal to pi by ab tan inverse a by b into 1 minus tan inverse a by b into 0. That's equal to pi by ab into tan inverse a by b minus 0. I2 equal to pi by ab into tan inverse a by b, equation number 4. From 2, 3, 4, I equal to pi by ab into tan inverse b by a plus pi by ab tan inverse a by b. I equal to pi by ab taking outside tan inverse b by a plus tan inverse a by b. That's equal to pi by ab cot inverse b by a plus tan inverse a by b. That is tan inverse x equal to cot inverse 1 by x. So We want to reach the result. Another result is the tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi by 2. So here I equal to pi by ab into tan inverse b by a plus tan inverse a by b. We want to change this tan inverse b by a as cot inverse a by b. So pi by ab into cot inverse a by b plus tan inverse a by b. Result is this: tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi by 2. So pi by ab into pi by 2, that is equal to pi square by 2ab. Therefore I equal to pi square by 2ab. If you study this question, we can do 2 or 3 integrations here. And also it is a lengthy question. It is very important. Please study this and share this to all your friends. And please click the like button. Please subscribe it. Okay, thank you.